Ethereum against US dollar this week has fallen in value. We can see these bearish candles has formed on the market and the price reached the area which is a start of this demand zone around 2127. So the price has reached 2161 and bouncing from this area here, where the price is rising in value for the last 3 days. Today is Saturday, we have 2 more days until this week ends, so as it looks right now, the price is in between this resistance level and this support level. On the weekly time frame, we can see that the price has made a breakout to the downside. The previous week has confirmed this bullish breakout as well, but something has happened on the market and did not follow this one, which is a technical analysis that was suggesting that the price will try to reach higher price level. So this week we can see that the price has made a breakout to the downside, but we have 2 more days until this week ends. So we'll see what happens. On the monthly time frame, this looks like this: a small bearish candle body with a very large wicks, where the price is bouncing between this resistance level 2760 and on the lower side a support level 1945. So how this month will end is still open. We have 3 more days in the next week, which means 5 more days for the market, because we have Ethereum open 7 days in the week. How this month will end, we can see that very important level for the monthly time frame is this one, which is 2229. It is 2230, very important level on the monthly timer. So we will see, will the price close below this one? If it closes, this will mean that there is an open space for the price to reach a lower side, which means 2038. So if the price doesn't close, this will mean that the bulls have still more chances to return the price on higher price levels, which means 2400. It is a very critical level also for the bulls. On the weekly time frame, we can see that 2235 is also a very important level, to which I have just mentioned on the monthly time frame. So we have 2 more days until this week ends. So will the price go down and closes the week below, or the price will return back up, going above 2400, which means that the bullish breakout that has happened and also been validated is still active, and there is potential that the price will try and also reach higher price levels. We'll see what happens. The very important level for the price is currently 2363 on the weekly time frame. If the price goes up, returns back above that, this will mean a great signal for the bulls. But for now, as it looks, the price is still in between range area. On the daily time frame, we can see what is that very important level. On the upper side, it is 2368. The price needs to return back up above in order to validate not cancelling the bullish breakout on the weekly time frame. Will that happen in the next 2 days? We'll see what happens. And if the price goes below, which means below 2174, and also the first one is 2200, it's very important to see, will the price make a breakout to the downside. Currently, as it looks right now on the market, it looks that the price will bounce between these 2 price levels. I do not see any pretty strong level that the price will make a breakout to the downside, which is also visible on the weekly and also monthly time frame. This is a very important support level for the price, and it will be very hard to see a price going below, which means there should be a pretty strong selling pressure and also the selling strength that could push the price down, going down and pushing the price all the way to 1945. There is, I think, currently on the market, it is indecision between the bulls and the sellers, so I'm expecting that the price will bounce between these 2 price levels. When some kind of a breakout happens on the market, bullish or the bearish to the downside, I will also mention that inside the trading community, which the link you can find below in the description. So if you would like to be notified when something happens on the market, some kind of a bullish breakout or the bearish breakout with the potential target where the price could go, I am sharing that inside the trading community, so feel free to check it. So that's all for today analysis. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.